Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been so long since I did like a sit down video. I've been vlogging so much, this feels a little bit weird. It's good to be back in the hot seat. We're a little bit more festive today. Festive hot seat, shall we say. So if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you've got someone to fill a stocking for. This is a stocking stuffer video for those of you who have stockings needing stuffing. Whether that is your mum, your daughter, your sister, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Hopefully I can give you some helpful tips. There are some kind of general ones here. There is also a lot of beauty if that is something that your significant person is interested in. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into it. Hopefully there's something here for everyone, regardless of budget. There's things that are super inexpensive and also things that are a little bit more pricey, but again, these are stocking stuffers. So we're looking at around £20 and below. Let's get on with the suggestions. This first portion of the video is actually sponsored by e.l.f. and they've asked me to show you some of their gift sets for this Christmas, which I actually thought would be a perfect stocking stuffer. So I have 3 skincare sets here. So e.l.f. stands for eyes, lips and face, and they have products which range for all of those things. They got skincare, they got makeup, and it's at a really budget friendly price point. So there's gifts under like £5, £10, £15, and then they've got things that are a little bit more expensive. They're kind of luxe range, which is still really affordable. They're vegan, they're cruelty free, and all of their skincare is free of sulfates, which is amazing. And some of their packaging this year is like candy inspired, which I think is adorable and perfect for Christmas. So I'll start with the candy themed thing. This is the e.l.f. Candy Kisses Lip Balm Trio. So in this set, you obviously get 3 lip balms and they're wrapped up like little candies, which is so cute. You get Bear Kiss, XO Red and Berry Sweet. So they have a little bit of a tint to them, which is really lovely. And this set only retails for $5. And something I was thinking, if you're a mum and you have multiple children who are into beauty, I thought a nice way to do this is you could give them one colour each. So that's such an affordable way of giving them something really nice and really sweet and festive. That is my first suggestion. And then the next 2 are for the skincare lovers out there, which I know there are many of us. The first one is the e.l.f. Supers Mini Skincare Kit. So this kit has the limited edition Mini Super Tone, Mini Super Clarify, Mini Super Hydrate, and the Mini Super Mask. So you get a cleanser, a toner, a moisturizer, and a mask, which is basically your entire skincare kit. So if you're shopping for someone who's just getting started in skincare and wants to try some products which have good ingredients with a low price point that don't have any of the nasties in, this is a really good way to go. And it also is really colourful and will look lovely in your bathroom. So it's really cute. This kit is $15 for 4 good travel size minis. That's a pretty good deal. And then finally, we have got the e.l.f. Best of e.l.f. Skincare Set. I'd say this is for people who are already a little bit into their skincare, but want to try some new products that again are really affordable but good quality. Hello Hydration Face Cream Hydrating Sheet Mask. You guys know I love a sheet mask. A mini daily face cleanser, a mini keep your balance, and a mini illuminating eye cream. So again, cleanse, tone, moisturize, and then also it has an eye cream and a sheet mask. So it's got a little bit extra, not just the basics. It's got a couple more kind of luxurious touches to it. So this retails for $18. So again, a super good price for it. And I know that when I was first getting into skincare, I would have absolutely loved to get this in my stocking. So I'll link all of those down below for you if you want to check them out. I always think that a stocking is not complete without something delicious in it. You always need to have something that they're going to want to eat. I know that this might seem like the basics, but I think sometimes people forget the basics that make people so happy. Put a packet of their favourite sweets in their stocking. It is no secret that Haribo Giant Straws are literally my favourite thing in the world. I love these things. And I think every year Tim puts a packet of these in my stocking, and every year I'm thrilled by it. So if you have someone who is as obsessed with sweets as I am, just get them a packet of their favourite sweets, or go and get them a pick and mix of all of their favourite sweets, or just buy all of the packets of minis and make your own pick and mix. I think that would be such a lovely idea, and I think I want him to do that for me this year. Even though I'm not eating quite as many sweets as I once was these days, it's Christmas. Another lovely thing to eat is maybe like a hot drink for Christmas morning, because obviously you open your stocking Christmas morning, and I always start off my day with a black coffee or a tea, but Christmas, you can afford to have something a little bit more sweet. So you can always put like some hot chocolate sachets in, maybe with some marshmallows, like a build your own hot chocolate little kit. Or you could go for something a little bit fancier. This is a sticky toffee pudding flavoured white hot chocolate, which I got in my glossy box, drank, and then bought another one for this video because it's so good. So put a little packet of mini marshmallows. They've got their festive hot beverage of choice, leading perfectly onto my segue. Onto these delightful items. Get them a mug to put them in. Pop it in there, pop in some marshmallows. You've got a new mug and a perfect little morning treat on Christmas Day. I won't go on about these too much, but they are the perfect stocking stuffers. If you don't know, I don't know how you wouldn't know. These are my own range of mugs. We've got the I'm a Mug mug, the My Hot Beverage of Choice mug, and also the Mug of Positivity mug. I absolutely love these. Today is actually the final day for you. It's actually, the day this goes up is actually my birthday, so happy birthday to me. It's up on the 7th of December. And today is actually the last day you can get 20% off my mugs. So if you do want to get them as a stocking stuffer, midnight tonight is when the code birthday20 runs out and you no longer will get 20% off. So if you're going to purchase them in time for Christmas, make sure you buy them today. So if you're shopping for someone who watches my videos or someone who just needs a mug of positivity, then shop away. They are linked down below. Enough of my own plug now. On to the next thing. Another drink, but this one is more tailored for the adults, the over 18s in the room. I love these things. I got this one from Sainsbury's, but they sell them everywhere. They're make your own cocktail kits. And these are basically champagne and Prosecco toppers. So you can make your own bellinis. So we've got grapefruit, mango, raspberry, and mandarin. And you just tip it into your Prosecco. And then they've got like the lovely sugar and sparkles that you can put in. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I will definitely be drinking champagne for breakfast this Christmas. So if this person opens their stocking, they can have delicious champagne all throughout Christmas Day. And I would love to have this in my stocking, 100%. Maybe it's just because I love a drink. But if you know someone who also loves a drink, why the heck not? The next thing is something that I think is gravely overlooked. A festive pair of socks. Topshop, for me, always kill it with the festive socks. This was a pair I actually picked up last year, and they are glittery, and they say bar humbug on them. Love that. But these three are from this year. They always have an offer of like 3 for £8. So again, if you've got 3 daughters, 3 sons, 3 whoever people, you can get 3 for £8. And that's 3 stocking stuffers. 1 each, 1 pair of socks each, 1 lip balm each. Split it. So these ones are really cute. They're just green and they say Santa on them. These ones I love. Mince pies before guys. Completely accurate, obviously. These ones are less festive, but I just really liked these. These say happy hour on them and they're super retro. Never overlook a festive pant or a festive sock on Christmas Day. These next items are a little bit more niche, but a very popular gift for Christmas is an Instax camera. So these are Polaroid cameras, prints out the pictures, like super fun. I love mine. I use it all the time. If you have purchased this for someone either in the past or this Christmas, I think a really lovely gift is, of course, pick them up some film, because this stuff adds up. It's actually quite expensive when you have to repurchase it. Getting it in your stocking, if someone knows you've got a camera, is actually a really lovely gift. But to make it a little bit festive and a little bit special, get them some little pegs. Now these ones again are from Sainsbury's. Sainsbury's are killing it at the moment with their festive goodies. And then throughout Christmas Day, if you take pictures on your Instax Mini with your papers, you can put them on your Christmas tree. Decorate your Christmas tree throughout Christmas Day with all of your festive memories, and then you do that every year, and then you have a collage of Christmas photos on your Christmas tree. I'm gonna do that with my tree this year, which I'm really excited for. It's not an expensive little present, but it's so thoughtful and so personalized, and I just think it's a really lovely little gift, don't you think? Another lovely thing that I would love to get on my stocking is something to wear on Christmas Day. Some people wear pajamas all day, some people get really dressed up. I'm gonna show you both options. If you're someone who gets super glammed up, why don't you get some gorgeous earrings for Christmas? So I've got 2 pairs to show you here. This first pair is for the out there bougie type. These are from River Island, and if they don't wear them Christmas Day, they'll wear them to Christmas parties, New Year's Eve, or just throughout the year. Gorgeous. I thought they looked like icicles. Amazing, amazing earrings I would love in my stocking. I bought these to wear maybe to my birthday party, which is actually tonight, the night you're watching this. My party is tonight. I will be lit by the time you're watching this. But again, tailor it for the people that you're buying for. Maybe they're a gold person. I've got a pair of earrings from Regal Rose, which is my all-time favorite jewelry brand. You guys know that. I honestly wear Regal Rose jewelry every single day, and whenever people ask me like, where's this from, where's that from, they're always Regal Rose. These hoops, Regal Rose. And I thought that these ones were really sweet if you have a gold jewelry lover. So cute. Another thing that I wanted to put with the socks, a fun pair of tights. Pattern tights are huge this year, so why not pick them up a pair? These are from ASOS and they have hearts in them. I'll link them down below so you can see them on the model because I don't want to take them out. But like a fun pair of tights that they could maybe wear Christmas Day. Something a little bit different that they'll get a lot of wear out of. Not crazy expensive, but a nice fun little gift. Another thing that I think is an essential in a candle, in a stocking, is a candle. You can get whatever price point you want. You can go from diptyque to Yankee. I have both. You could give them a little Yankee candle. I've got here Blush Bouquet, or you could give them Snowflake Cookie, which is a festive candle. They aren't mad expensive, but you can burn them throughout the day and then your house will smell lovely and it makes you think of Christmas, you know? Or again, if you're buying for multiple people, you could always invest in one of the diptyque gift boxes, which comes with like 5 of these mini candles, and then give each of your sons or daughters one of the minis, because they're super luxe and lovely, but they're really small, so spread out between 3 stockings, it isn't actually too bad, and they are such lovely scents. And they'll see the name diptyque and I'm sure get really excited because it's such a gorgeous, luxury, well-known brand, and I would be thrilled with a diptyque candle for Christmas. Or just off the high street, you've got an H&M candle. This is in Christmas Eve. It's a beautiful candle. It's a lovely colour, lovely looking candle, and it smells amazing. Another classic, some Lush bath bombs. You cannot go wrong with them. They're so great for this time of year. Here's an example. I always do a massive Lush shop just before Christmas. You guys will have seen it in a recent vlog. I absolutely love Lush. At Christmas time, I always go Lush shopping. It just makes me think of Christmas. So this is a lovely little snowman. I've got a Santa. There's so many different smells. Everyone loves a bath. Or if you don't have a bath, there's shower gels. Something that is lovely and luxurious and just makes you smell and feel good. And Lush is my go-to for that. I've got some Beauty Bits, their favourite pair of lashes. If you're a lash wearer, it starts to add up and can get a little bit pricey. So if you know someone's favourite pair of lashes, throw a pair in their stocking. They will appreciate it, and there's nothing better than a fresh pair of lashes. They may be using the same lashes that they've been wearing for 2 weeks and pulling the lash glue off, and then on Christmas Day, a new fresh pair of lashes. Delightful. You've made their morning. These are the Tatty lashes in the Mitchell collab. You don't have to go for these ones. These are quite bold for Christmas Day, but if you're a bougie bitch, then wear them. Whatever lashes float their boat, pick them up a pair. This little gift set from Benefit is amazing. It comes with 1, 2, 3 mascaras. You get the They're Real, the Bad Gal Bang, and the Roller Lash mascara. For such a good price, it's 3 little minis, and if you are buying for someone who wants to branch out into more higher end makeup and doesn't want to spend loads on it, it's a great way to do it because they can try 3 higher end mascaras for a much cheaper price, and then rather than you just buying them one and hoping that they like it, you can get them all 3 in a smaller size, and then they can eventually get the one that they really want rather than just a trial and error process. So I thought that this was such a good gift for maybe someone who's just starting to get into makeup if they want to splurge out a little bit. The Bad Gal Bang is my all-time favourite mascara, but you guys might prefer the They're Real or the Roller Lash. this is a great way for them to try it out, so I highly recommend this one. You can also buy minis of Benefit products. This is a mini Precisely My Brow pencil. This is in the shade 3, which I think is a safe bet if you're not 100% sure what shade this person's gonna be. Shade 3 is probably the most universal. It's the shade that I wear, and it's a cute little ball, so you could always hang it on the tree for them. I also have a couple of goodies from e.l.f. as well. This is the hot chocolate, like haute couture, hot chocolate eyes spice palette. This has some gorgeous warm festive shades in. It's got a green, it's got like a burnt orange, so you can do a really gorgeous kind of festive wintry look with this palette. And then there's also this, the best of e.l.f. This Poreless Putty Primer went viral because it was like a dupe of the Tatcha primer. I'm sure if whoever you're buying for watches YouTube, they will know about this primer and they'll be really pleased to be receiving it. It's also got a jelly highlighter and a lip plumping gloss. My big camera just ran out of battery and I was gonna freak out because I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to wait for it to charge and the sun's going down. But it's Vlogmas. I'll just finish it on my vlog camera. So hello new angle. Okay, finally for the people who like to slob around in their pajamas all Christmas like me, I've got 3 pairs of Christmas. This camera's about to die as well. Hilarious. I've got 3 pairs of Christmas pajamas to show you. The first one of these amazing checked pajamas. It's got a shirt. They're so soft. So soft. I got these off of ASOS. They're from Chelsea Piers and they've got long bottoms. And it says fuzzy socks, blankets and hot chocolate. And you guys have seen these in my vlogs. I've been wearing these to bed most nights. They're so comfortable and they're warm and they're lovely, and I would wear these all day on Christmas Day. These are also from Chelsea Piers. What are they? Farley print pajamas. So again, I can't tell you how soft these are. It's a bit unbelievable. Long length bottoms with the ruched ankles, so comfortable, and oh, guys, they're so soft with the same print, crew neck, long sleeved top. Look at that. Merry Christmas. Or you can get a set from New Look. Those ones are a little bit more pricey, but I found these adorable ones from New Look that come in a little gift box. That camera died too. These say just putting it out there with the cutest little Christmas pudding on it. Love these. And then the bottoms are equally as adorable. They're red and they're covered in Christmas pudding. They're not as soft as the other ones because the price point is lower and they aren't as good quality. I also think when it comes to Christmas pajamas, you're only going to be wearing them at Christmas. So if you don't want to spend a little bit more, then get them a nice cheap pair that they can wear that Christmas during the day and it's not a massive loss. And those are my stocking filler suggestions. They're very simple, they're not crazy expensive, they're things that I think a lot of people will really like. So I hope you found this helpful. I really enjoy these videos, I really enjoy putting them together, so I hope you enjoyed. Remember, all of the e.l.f. goodies are linked down below, as well as my mugs. I would really appreciate it if you would pick one up. I hope you guys have the best day. I'm gonna go and enjoy my birthday party tonight. Just a little logistics update. Tomorrow's video is going to be a vlog from Vlogmas Day 6 and Day 7 because today is going up, this video is going up instead of Vlogmas Day 6, if you get what I mean. So tomorrow's vlog is a very exciting vlog. It's something that's happening tomorrow that's very exciting, as well as my birthday party, which is going to be a sick vlog. I can't wait for tomorrow's video. It's going to be really fun to edit when I'm really hungover on the 8th. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.